Last class we have seen some activities which proves presence of charge present in an atom. In this class now let us see scientist experiments and their findings. First scientist is Humphrey Davy. Using electricity he isolated many elements like sodium, calcium, magnesium, barium, boron, etc. He conducted experiments by passing electricity through liquids. From these experiments, he understood the presence of electric charges in substances, which means that substances or atom consist of some electric charges. Third point, he established that there are two types of charges. One is positive charge and the other one is negative charge. He also understood these electric charges enable a substance to react with another substance. Next scientist is Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday, known as father of electricity. He conducted experiments along with Humphrey Davy and found that electricity can pass through liquids. He also found that some liquid substances can be separated into their components by passing electric current through them. This process is known as electrolysis. So electrolysis is the process of separation of liquids into their components by passing electric current. That we will see later. On the basis of above experiment, he proposed law of electrolysis. The main drawback of Faraday is he failed to explain the reason for the electrolysis. The next scientist is Henrich Giesler. Henrich Giesler invented discharge tube, otherwise known as vacuum tube. The invention of discharge tube revealed that electricity can pass through gases. Earlier it is believed that we cannot pass electricity through gases, but after the discovery of Giesler discharge tube or vacuum tube, it is found that electricity can pass through gases. The next scientist is Julius Plucker. He conducted experiment using discharge tube. He passed electric current through gas at low pressure in this discharge tube. He found that if pressure inside the discharge tube is very low, a glow of light will be seen on the sides of the glass tube. That you can see in this diagram. In this diagram you can see that a green color light is coming from the discharge tube. From one end to another end it is passing. If a magnet is placed near the position of the glow, it will be changed. This indicates that the rays coming from gas in the discharge tube is having some electric charge. This figure shows the discharge tube experiment conducted by Julius Plucker. It was found that if pressure inside the tube decreases, a glow of light will be seen on the sides of the glass tube. If magnet is placed near the glow, the position of the glow will be changed. This indicates the presence of electric charge in the rays coming from the discharge tube.